Let's make this artwork distress look for black t-shirt. Very easy. I have separate layers and this image. Okay, now select all, copy, go back to original layer, add layer mask, press Alt and click layer mask, edit, paste, and press Ctrl D, deselect, click layer again. Very easy. Now unlink the layer and select, change position. Okay, now delete back layer, link again. Let's create mockup. I have mockup t-shirt, black t-shirt. Okay, very easy method. Okay, good. Thank you for watching my video.